should we fill up the jar? Okay, let's do that. Fill it up. I'll fill it up for you. Okay. Like to have the jar filled. There you go. There you go. Good stuff. Good stuff. Oh, you don't want to get that one? She likes to take it out of here. Okay. Okay. She waits for this little container and takes them off the top. It's like a fun little thing to do. Okay. When you get that jar filled, then you get your snack. And I'll put it in now. Okay. Okay. Rather wait to have it out of this little container. It's so much more fun than taking it off the floor. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then we'll put it in the jar. How's that, eh? We're getting filled up. We're getting there. There you go. Okay. Oh, I'm going to take them off the floor? Okay. Okay. Let's do that. Alright. There you go. Okay. We got lots on the floor now, huh? Okay, and we're just about done here. Yeah. Okay. Done again. That's good. Good. And that's full. Let's do your other jar. Is there still some on the floor there? Yeah, there's lots on the floor. Okay. And we'll do this jar and then it's done again. How about that? Filled up to the cupboard. I'll put the bag away. All done. Okay. Is that good? Are you all done now? A few more? And a few more there? Okay. Here. There you go. There you go. There you go. Did you get them all? Them all? There's one behind you too. Yeah, there you go. And that's it. We're done again, aren't we? Oh, got your jar full. Okay. You want a couple on your plate? Should we put a couple on your plate? Yeah. Okay. There you go. There you go, sweetie. There you go. Over here. Over here. There you go. Behind you. Behind you. There you are. There you go. And then we're done filling the jar. All done. Okay. There you go. Is that good now? Did you find one over there? Are you good now? Yeah. Are we all okay now? We put some on your plate. You want a couple on your plate and then I think that's you're good for the night. Till your midnight snack? Or the next snack? Time? Okay. Okay. Do you want to come over here? Go to your plate. Yeah, let's go put it on your plate. Okay. There you go. There you go. There you go. Is that okay? That's it. Is that not exciting anymore? That's it for tonight. No, no more? What do you want, sweetie? I guess that's it. I guess that's good enough for now.